Januar 2024. Wir sind heute am Stand von Specna und da gibt's was Neues, und zwar die neue Prime Series. Und ich würde sagen, der Patrick sagt uns ein bisschen was drüber. So Patrick, you can tell us something about the new Prime Series.
I understand perfectly everything that you said.
That's good.
Yes, I'm also like that. First of all, I would like to show you the new model that we're going to introduce this year to the market. It's a model with a new Daniel Defense license risk-free rail, fully M1, made out of aluminium. So we'll be able to get this model pretty soon on the market. For example, this one, you know, the rail is pretty military and stuff. The replica itself was included very tactical through angle issues for grid. Yeah. So what's unique and fun about it is that you are already have a barricade stand, stop for it, and also a place where you can put comfortably your hand in every type of a position that you prefer. Right behind you, there's a cute little cutie. It's a new model that we are introducing in our Flex line. Flex line is beginner line. Yeah, beginner line. We call it like the beginner line because most people that start with the airsoft start with the Flex series. Because very affordable. Yeah. It provides good specs and it's pretty reliable.
Okay.
So yeah, this beauty is made out of full polymer. It has an integrated silencer, integrated-ish silencer because this is airsoft. Yeah. So you can put the longer barrel in it. The standard,
it's like here or it's inside?
We're gonna check that out. But it ends somewhere around here.
Okay.
So you can go a little bit longer, even DMR-ish, or make it like a sold version. Yeah, skirmishable, put something shorter, have a good CP option. Our motto is your way of airsoft, so we don't like to limit the players in the way that they play. It's up to you. We just supply the equipment. One of the other things that are cool is in the end of the last year we launched the new X series in a Flex line. Yeah. So if you are looking for an affordable CQB pistol caliber carbine option, this is for you. What's fun? It's the magazines. We designed the magazine ourselves, so it fits in any other popular option on the market.
ARC option.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. And also you can use them inside the X series. So if you already stock a Max, it is fully compatible.
Just change it with the other Max you already have.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, perfect.
So no limitations with it here. Now we have to change the surrounding side a bit and go over there. Okay. You want to cut it or just go? Yes. So what I have here is the prototype of the new gearbox standard that we are calling Here. It will be a standard gearbox inside of our new replicas inside the Prime line. The Prime will be a line of replicas that will give you the best features and best the performance out of the box, but still will be very affordable. So what we got here, the shell we designed ourselves, so we incorporated all the feedback and all the experience we got from our previous line include in this design. So already from the start, all the text out you there, you're gonna see that you have the things that you ask always for. So inspection windows, anti-reversal latch release. The specs are on it like the G cage bearings. Inside you will find Aster 2 Bluetooth ETU, or it will gonna be available with the e-shooter ETU. Both fully Bluetooth compatible, so you only have to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and you can set up all the parameters by yourself. Also, we heavily reinforced the front because everybody knows that V2 type gearbox can be potent to some sort of breakage because of the design itself, but we incorporated the reinforcements, so we know that it's going to be a pretty good design. I cannot say at the moment how much we tested it, but we tested it with very strong springs and very large volume of BBs. It passed our initial trials and soon it's going to be available to the market. Inside you will find 16:1 steel CNC gears, piston with a steel rack, steel cylinder and aluminum cylinder head and the nozzle. We designed those parts also ourselves, so they fit perfectly with the gearbox and themselves. They also designed the piston head, so everything put together gives you near perfect or perfect seal, so no air droppage, no FPS droppage. The other part of the prime lines will be the brushless motor. We call it the dark matter. It's a fan motor that has been locked to 27,000 RPMs. So in our opinion, it's safe for this type of configuration and it works flawlessly as our initial test trials showed. So you open the box, you already got a brushless motor, AETU, so already you have the advantage over other configurations on the market within the rate of fire and also the trigger response. We know that currently the players are all about the trigger response. Yeah. Faster the replica shoots when you pull the trigger, it's better for you. Yeah. The other part of the system is the Magnus hop-up chamber and also the barrel. This is our design too. All designs are registered, patent pending, and all the good things. So they will be unique only to us. And how it works? It's a dead center design. So a typical rotary hop-up works like when you turn the wheel, the arm moves like in this direction. So what we did, we incorporated the dead center design. So as the wheel moves, the knob is pushed straight forward to the button itself.
So it's going in one straight line down.
Yes,
and you have perfectly on the top.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So the performance that you will get out of it and the precision will be far surpass the other stock builds, and also be ready for any type of upgrades. This will include a steel 6.02 millimeter barrel. Depending on the model, the length will change. Okay. Here we have more of our prototype rails. They are nearly ready to be finished. For example, this one is the full polymer rail that will be available in our Flex series. It's very light, robust, you can check it out. I very much like the color. I think the players will like it. Let's move on. Here are our completely new releases for this year. This will hit the market around the first quarter of this year. This is our new sniper rifle. What's fun and unique about this one, it incorporates a couple of features that I think is unique for the market. First of all, you have the magazine indicator. When the magazine is inside the replica, the little button gets like this, gets pushed, so you already know that you seated your magazine properly. This model has a folding stock, so you can fold the stock for transportation or something, and with it you are able to pull out the whole cylinder by pushing on the top here. You push out, exchange your spring, put it back in, and you're ready to go.
It's like a quick spring.
Exactly. Like all of our replicas, we try to incorporate this kind of system. Also, this has been disabled for the German law, so there's no spring in it. So this shouldn't be like so far up, but in the case of the normal setup, when the spring is inserted here, when the whole system is cocked, this will a little bit pop out, so you have a firing indicator. Okay. So you know that your replica is cocked, ready to
get
go.
A little red spot.
Yeah, exactly.
It's cocked and you can shoot.
Yeah. Also, full steel internals. 19 degrees triggers here, so the trigger is very nice and precise, and also the steel gives you the option to run it like up to 4 joules. We tested it up to 4 joules, performed very well. The piston inside is made of aluminum with reinforced steel notch for the trigger here.
Okay, nice.
Also, somewhere around this year, we're gonna release this pistol caliber carbine. to the market. It's very light. You can see that the selector is already done in a way that you can safely and comfortably use it. It's a pretty good, yeah, both sides. It will be a good CQB option, and it also includes a cool stock that's foldable, adjustable.
Very nice.
Thank you. And last and not least, our new custom DMR rifle that we collaborated with a Polish manufacturer called Minecraft. It got on it many features. You can take it to your hand and see how light the whole setup is, because it's very light and it's quite big, really.
Yeah.
Inside you can find the Minecraft HPA system, the receiver itself, and the handguard is made on CNC from aluminum. The barrel is carbon.
It's pretty light, man, you know.
Yeah, it's
how
almost,
much kilos?
I don't know, like maybe less.
Less? That's really nice. Pretty lightweight.
Yeah.
And you can come ready with HPA like
Yes,
that.
everything will be included in the box, so you open the box and you're ready to play with it. You have to set up it for your TVs, for your field and things like that.
And I think EMR, it's semi-light, so it can go.
Yeah.
Even in Germany, it's not allowed, but yeah.
In Poland it's allowed,
Yeah.
but not allowed by law, but not allowed by the field and the events that you play on. So it should be locked to semi-owned.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
That's a problem. It was pleasure to have you guys on my stand.
Absolut. Thank you very much. So, das war's jetzt bei Specna. Wir haben jetzt eine Menge neue Waffen gesehen, die neue Prime Series, ein paar Flex-Modelle. Also es wird viel Neues geben in nächster Zeit. Wird es auch bei uns noch kommen? Wann genau, weiß ich noch nicht. Aber wir freuen uns schon drauf.